right, everybody, welcome to any level road test. This is the first road test we're doing on this thing. Oh girl, all right, so this seat feels like I'm 6'5", not 6'5", going back down. We are gonna take this old girl down the road. I'm pretty sure we're lifted all the way up. Got the sub box on, she glistening. Got the headliner, RGB, all that on. Got the green mode right now, little yellow green combo. So let's get this thing on. It's not like a crazy thing to drive. This thing is massive, don't get me wrong, but it's not necessarily like a hard thing to drive, I guess. Obviously, when you're going from a hairpin turn, you gotta do a quick little K action, but yeah, she drives normal thing. Like that, easy. So 2024/2023 new body style F450 Platinum. This thing has 375 miles on it of nothing, and it now has one of the baddest setups you can throw on it. It is a any level setup, and you can go up like we are or down. So this is like the funny thing of doing it, because you can just air out. Not recommended to turn at this height, as the 40s on this thing. So these are 28/16 on 40s, and they're tucked. So we'll go back up at the press of a button. So the rear is all the way up. Rear goes up faster than the front. Front is on its way up. And we are there. That's as easy as it is with this thing. So there's not much to really explain about it. The sub slap, I can maybe do a non-copyrighted sound because everybody out there needs to make their money, so we'll do a little something. Spot over here to avoid the traffic. So it does drive really nice, it does drive really easy, but no one else understands how this drives, and no one else understands how big this thing is when you're driving. So there's no consideration at all. They'll just ride up right next to your wheel. Oh, you need a turn? Let me just swing this 28/16 into your front fender of your Tacoma. Like, nothing against Tacomas. I love Toyotas. So let's see what happens. Do you want to get B-roll shots of the train in the background right here?
Yeah, let me snag a couple.
Yeah, because I could actually just back up right here. It's really gonna stay in good it now. Now it's like a normal truck. It's like a 4-inch lift. Not too bad. I think it's all the way down. Oh, shit, add a little more. There we go. Now it's a normal truck. Hell yeah. Them boys spin. We just got done with the road test. The old big girl drives pretty factory, pretty stock, big unit. So we can go over a couple things pretty much that made this truck as different as it is. All the stuff we've done to it. So start off with the wheel and tire package. These are American Ford 28/16 plate concave. So these are some big units, heavy offset for the front. 8 1/4 rears, you can see. These are custom finish floaters. We had a couple different opportunities to make it yellow here, but we kept it real clean. Move on to the tires. We have Fury 40 15.5 28s. So those are some big meats. 40s are like the standard for any level almost, I think. The same size back here, so even though it's an 8 1/4 wheel, you still get that in there. That's all I can say. It is very tough. Not too many shops do it, but we get done here. Custom floaters for the customer. Another phenomenal touch that you just, if you're spending this type of money to get this nice of a wheel, you might as well go all out for floaters. And then some custom engraving, wheels and tires setup. The magic behind this whole lift, any level setup for the 450. So this has a additional bag kit in the rear, but this is a 13/14 inch lift. Touch of a button, it goes up real high as you see. Touch of a button, it goes down. So got endless different suspension components that I wish you guys saw when it was being installed, but due to our hacking sort of fun time that we had to deal with, and then getting a new videographer and all that, abracadabra, it's gone. So truck's done. Yeah, that's all I can really point out. Here it is. Yeah, any level lift, sick. I forgot the actual name it's powder coated in, but everything matches. So we'll go over the exterior body panels now. Everything on this truck's been painted pretty much except for the actual body. We have bumpers, headlights, mirrors, handles. Start off from the front. He's happy he gets to take the drop top off. Okay, all right, so like I said, 2023, so this is the new front end, new body style, platinum grille, OEM projector headlights that we two-tone, so gloss black inners with the yellow buckets to match everything else. Like I said, everything's painted, so valence, grille, emblems, tow hook, everything. And that's, I don't gotta go over anything else, but color match everything to match this truck, and it works perfectly. Custom built mirrors, fully painted smooth, some switchback action here. Got some LED white tab lights, recons. Literally probably the best things to do. They just look so good. They're color match as well. Everything, like I said, color match. No one else got these. No one. These are our switchback handles / LED handles you normally see on all Chevys and everything, but we retrofitted them on a 23. We are, I believe, one of the only people that do that, and we can get it done for you. LiveCT.com. So we'll move back here. Not just the outside's been touched, but the inside. So we have a stage 4 under the seat enclosure from MTI Mobile Toys. This is fully custom stitched to match the interior, the truck painted. Got 4 10W3s, pretty much a standard setup. We are like, we're not allowed to, I guess, we have very special setups that we get made for ourselves, and this is one of them. So we pulled out all the stop. It's a unique setup. There's not gonna be another one like it, and it's badass. It hits, as you saw in the road test. So besides that, matching interior, everything, all the nice amp and everything's tucked up behind here. Not gonna show you that, but it's in there. We'll show you at some point. Gonna come to like a very small detail, but overthought. These are painted. I don't think I've seen anyone do that. So we did full ambient on everything in here. So ambient lights in here, under the seats. I'll get to the headliner soon, but painted all the grills, every speaker piece, everything, so match the outside of the truck, hence more color match. We have our proprietary store lit that I'll turn on for you. Go. As BMW has, they have done the ambient, the sunroof, so we followed that all along there, and then paired with our suede wrapped headliner and the stars, you can't feel them. So everybody out there that cuts them in their own shop, or cuts them in their actual truck and doesn't take them out, I feel bad for you, man, because this is art right here. So besides that, that's pretty much the full interior. Fully paint matched steps, so these are amp research factory joints. You take them apart and you paint everything black. Color match steps, factory bedside lights that we custom painted, got them all set up. They look good, they're fitting. I think this is amber on the front, red on the back because it's a dually. We have a lot of rock lights on this thing too, like a lot. I think like 28 or 30, and they are everywhere. It's obviously sunny out, but you can see it's lit up in the fender well. It's very bright. It's a very bright truck. Give me a signal. All right, go to the rear end of this old girl. It's got wide rear fenders, as you can see, got those things shined up. This thing's also been, forgot to mention, fully paint corrected, ceramic coated, and every single bit of suspension and frame has been ceramic coated. M5's last stock, yeah. So every bit of the frame has been ceramic coated as well. My Ceramic Pro 9H. Best in the business, hard, good, pause. Yeah, so we're the rear end. Custom painted tail lights is our specialty. We don't open these up. These are very expensive. I'm almost positive they're like $1,300 to $1,100 each. They have lane sensing, a bunch of different stuff. But yeah, so fully painted, tinted, bordered, color match to the truck. Looks absolutely nasty. Definitely one of my favorite touches. More color match. So every bit of plastic, like I said, is color match on this thing. Everything. Every single thing you see. This plaque that's normally silver is now two-tone to match the exact yellow that's on the truck. It looks great. It just looks so good. New touch that we added, OEM bed liner, the bed rug will be going on top, as well as a bed mat inside. Just came in. Shipping's a little rough right now. My apologies. Gen Y hitch, the ankle eater. If you forget this thing is here, it's worse than a Razor scooter. You know, you know. So I forgot what exactly this one is called, but it is a highly rated, fully loaded. So it's got the double ball, triple lock, everything. The full hitch receivers powder coated. The full hitch is powder coated as well to match the truck. This thing's ready to tow if you want. If you want to tow our trailer that we have over there, you want to tow a car, you want to do repo with this thing, it's ready to go. We're towing something with this. So the final part that, once again, not too many people do, factory truck exhaust, powder coated. We just couldn't leave everything kind of bland, whatever. So we hooked it up, we matched it to the truck. It's nice and shiny. Still retains factory emissions for all those super lovely necessities out there, but it looks sick. It looks real sick. Actually, last but not least, hiding in between these wheels and on the front wheels are Shifted Industries spacers. So he makes the baddest spacers in the game. They are full billet. We've been using them for years. We trust them. You can tow with them. We have a, I'm pretty sure it's like a 1-inch, 2-inch, whatever, that sits in between of these wheels. Give it a little more poke. And then we also have spacers on the front to really just give it that full width that it needs. So we could have gone a little wider if we really wanted to, but it sits perfect the way it is. Honestly, I wouldn't change this truck at all. It slaps, it looks good, everything worked efficiently. We also have a Pace Edwards electric groove, electric tonneau cover going on this as well. So that's the final piece. I don't think we're adding anything else to this thing. It's just like one of those peace of mind things. So press a button, it unrolls. See, that's it. You're pretty sure you can control with your phone. It's heavy as hell, but it looks real good. So that paired to the bed rug, sick combo deal. That's really it for this thing. Tinted out, ceramic coated, fully built. Only thing that wasn't touched on this thing was drivetrain. I'm not too annoyed on that. It's factory, you don't gotta worry about nothing. So here she is. Once again, I'm sorry we don't have any build footage. That whole hacking thing definitely put a bummer on everything. But all the videos are up now, so if you want to go check those out, a lot of them are up. They're fresh. That's all I can really say about it. Sad. We're up though. Now that this thing is way taller than I am, that's it for this thing. We did a road test. You guys saw it all. Every single bit apart on this thing. That's really it. So, you like this one? You want to build your own? You want to just stare at it? You want to come think about building one? Appointment only. We're here. Legends Auto Boutique, North Haven, Connecticut. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Helps us out. We like looking at the comments. Usually a lot of them are roasts to someone specific in here or something random, so we all laugh at it. We don't take anything to heart, but if you like what we do, we're gonna keep making it happen for you. We're gonna stay around here. This thing should be gone soon.